In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Gmail account from Gmail application on an iPhone and on an Android, because the process is different on these platforms. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started with an iPhone, and first off, we need to open up Gmail. After that, tap right here at your profile picture. It will show you some of your Gmail accounts here in which you are currently signed in. Now, to continue, we need to tap at Manage Accounts on this device. That's where, first off, if we don't want to actually remove account from this device, we can just hide it by toggling it off. We can easily do so in that simple way. And then if we hit at done, and then if we open up Gmail app again, we can see that it is not showing any accounts here because I deselected all the accounts except one. In the same way, we can get into manage accounts on this device again, and then we can turn them on and off in any time. However, if you want to completely remove an account from your device, all you have to do is just tap at remove from this device under the account you would like to remove. It will ask you, are you sure you would like to remove it? To continue, hit at remove. Keep in mind that it will not actually delete the account itself. It will just remove it from your device. That's how we can do so on an iPhone. On an Android, first off, we need to open up Gmail app as well. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture. Then tap at Manage Accounts on this device, and after that, you will be taken to your device's settings, where, as you can see, we can find in my case 2 accounts here. You may got much more or just 1 account here. And now, guys, if we want to remove any of our accounts from the device, all we have to do is just tap at that account and then hit at remove account, just like that. Down below here it says that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. Just like on an iPhone, clicking on remove account does not delete the account itself. It just deletes it from our device. And also keep in mind that if you tap at remove account, that will remove the selected account from all the Google services such as YouTube, Google Drive, Google Chrome, Google Maps, and other services where you signed in with your Google account. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.